welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into something that feels less like a pickup truck and more like a moving fortress on wheels. The moment you lay eyes on this machine, you already know it is built to intimidate, to dominate, and to leave a lasting impression wherever it goes. This is the 2026 Caterpillar Crimson Juggernaut 6x6, a truck that doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. From the very first second, this vehicle gives off a sense of unstoppable power, as if it was designed with one clear goal in mind: to conquer every road, every terrain, and every challenge placed in front of it. When you look at the exterior, the Crimson Juggernaut feels brutally honest in its design. Nothing here is soft, nothing feels decorative just for show. The deep crimson red paint is bold and aggressive, and under the lights it almost looks alive, like the truck is breathing power. The front end is massive, with a wide industrial-style grille that reflects the DNA of Caterpillar. This grille looks like it belongs on a heavy construction machine rather than a pickup truck, and that's exactly what makes it special. The LED headlights are sharp and narrow, giving the truck an angry, focused expression, like it's locked onto its target. The reinforced bumper, integrated LED bars, and exposed recovery points instantly tell you this truck is built for extreme conditions, not mall parking lots. Moving to the side profile, the real personality of this beast starts to show. The 6x6 layout completely changes the proportions, making the truck look longer, wider, and far more aggressive than any standard pickup. 6 massive off-road tires sit under flared fenders, each tire looking capable of chewing through mud, sand, rocks, and snow without hesitation. The ground clearance is insane, and when you see this truck next to a normal vehicle, it honestly feels like a different species. Heavy-duty side steps, reinforced panels, and functional vents add to that industrial, purpose-built look. This is not a truck that's trying to be elegant. It's trying to be dominant. At the rear, the Crimson Juggernaut continues that same tough attitude. The bed is wide and deep, designed to carry serious loads, whether that's construction equipment, off-road gear, or anything else you can throw at it. The tailgate looks solid enough to sit on, stand on, or even use as a work platform. Everything feels overbuilt, and that's not a complaint at all. It feels like this truck was designed with the mindset that failure is not an option. Now let's talk about what really makes this truck special: the powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Crimson Juggernaut 6x6 is imagined with a high-output turbo diesel engine that delivers massive torque. This isn't about top speed or drag racing. This engine is all about raw pulling power. You feel it in the way the truck moves forward effortlessly, even with a heavy load. The torque delivery is smooth but relentless, and when you press the accelerator, you don't hear panic or strain, you hear confidence. It sounds like a machine that knows exactly what it's capable of. The 6x6 drivetrain completely changes how this truck behaves off-road. Power is distributed across all 6 wheels, giving it unbelievable traction. Whether you're crawling over rocks, climbing steep inclines, or pushing through deep sand, the Crimson Juggernaut just keeps moving. It doesn't feel rushed, it doesn't feel nervous. It feels planted, stable, and in control. The advanced differential systems and off-road modes allow the driver to adapt the truck to different terrains with ease. This is the kind of truck that makes difficult terrain feel easy. Suspension plays a huge role here as well. The heavy-duty suspension setup is designed to handle both extreme off-road abuse and heavy payloads. On rough terrain, the truck absorbs impact surprisingly well for something this big. You don't feel every bump fighting against you. Instead, the suspension works with the terrain, keeping the truck stable and composed. On highways, despite its massive size, the Crimson Juggernaut feels more comfortable than you'd expect. It's not a luxury sedan, of course, but for a 6x6 monster, the ride quality is impressively controlled. Step inside the cabin, and you'll notice a very interesting balance between ruggedness and luxury. The interior doesn't forget that this is a workhorse, but it also understands that the driver deserves comfort. The seats are large, supportive, and wrapped in premium materials that feel durable rather than delicate. Everything you touch feels solid. The dashboard design is bold and industrial, with large buttons and switches that are easy to use even with gloves on. At the same time, modern technology is everywhere. The infotainment system features a large touchscreen with navigation, off-road data, camera views, and vehicle diagnostics. You can monitor suspension articulation, torque distribution, incline angles, and more, which makes off-road driving not only safer, but also more engaging. The digital instrument cluster provides clear information without feeling cluttered. This truck doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary gimmicks. It gives you exactly what you need when you need it. One of the most impressive features inside is the visibility. Despite its size, the Crimson Juggernaut offers excellent outward visibility thanks to large mirrors, multiple camera angles, and a high seating position. You feel like you're in command, looking down at the road rather than being lost in traffic. This sense of control is a huge part of the driving experience. When it comes to towing and hauling, this truck is in a league of its own. The 2026 Crimson Juggernaut 6x6 is imagined to tow massive loads with confidence. Whether it's trailers, heavy machinery, or recreational equipment, this truck doesn't feel challenged. The chassis feels rock solid, and the braking system is designed to handle extreme weight without drama. You always feel like the truck is in control, not the load behind it. Sound insulation inside the cabin is surprisingly good. You still hear the engine, and honestly, you want to hear it, but it's not intrusive. Wind and road noise are well managed, making long drives far less tiring than you'd expect from such a heavy-duty machine. This means the Crimson Juggernaut isn't just an off-road monster. It's also capable of long highway journeys without feeling exhausting. What really sets this truck apart is the emotion it creates. Driving it doesn't feel normal. It feels special. Every time you start it up, there's a sense of occasion. People turn their heads, phones come out, and conversations stop. This is not a truck you blend in with. It's a truck you stand out in. For content creators, enthusiasts, and anyone who loves bold machines, this truck feels like a dream. Of course, a truck like this isn't for everyone. It's big, it's bold, and it's unapologetically extreme. Parking in tight urban spaces would be a challenge, and fuel efficiency is clearly not its main priority. But that's not why this truck exists. It exists for those who want something extraordinary, something that pushes boundaries, something that feels closer to a heavy machine than a regular pickup. In the end, the 2026 Caterpillar Crimson Juggernaut 6x6 feels like a statement. It represents power, durability, and confidence in its purest form. It doesn't chase trends, it creates its own path. This is the kind of truck that makes you feel like no road is too rough, no job is too heavy, and no challenge is too big. If you've ever dreamed of owning a vehicle that truly feels unstoppable, this machine delivers that feeling in every sense. So if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme pickup concepts out there, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think about the Crimson Juggernaut 6x6. Would you drive something this bold, or is it just too much truck for you? Either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.